Amazon Prime. Something went wrong. Issue fix. Let's jump in. Check your internet connection. The first thing you should check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is often the main culprit behind this error. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router. You can also run a speed test to ensure your connection is strong enough for streaming. Restart the Amazon Prime app. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to fix the issue. Close the Amazon Prime app completely. Swipe it away from your recent apps on mobile, or quit the app on your computer. Then reopen it and try again. Update the Amazon Prime app. Outdated versions of the app can cause errors. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Amazon Prime, and check if an update is available. If there is, update the app to the latest version. Restart your device. Rebooting your device can clear temporary bugs that might be causing the error. Turn off your phone, tablet, or computer, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Check Amazon Prime server status. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end. Amazon Prime servers could be down. You can check the server status by visiting websites like Down Detector or checking Amazon's social media pages for any reported outages. Reinstall the app. If all else fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Amazon Prime app. This can clear up any deeper software issues that might be causing the error. Delete the app from your device, download it again from your App Store, and log in. And that's how you fix the something went wrong issue on Amazon Prime. Try these solutions to get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies without interruption. If this guide helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.